Kelly Smith. Oh, Judy Blues. Spa Finder.
Oh.
Thanks, Mommy.
Nice. Can't go wrong with that.
Very nice. And booties, right?
Spa booties, yeah.
Spa
They're
booties.
different ones.
Are these the ones that they have?
Heat up.
Yeah, well, they're not exact, they're the same idea. You take the thing out
Yeah.
and heat it and.
Stop, right?
These are pretty.
These are really nice. Thank you.
Rose. Ooh, these are rose. Microwave for 30 seconds. Here.
These smell really good too.
Oh, do you actually microwave?
Oh, I didn't know it played that.
No, I think just the inserts.
That is great.
You gonna put them on?
Yeah, you want to put them
Here
on?
they are.
Wow, this is a big hit.
The spa
Just because it's in
Yeah.
front of her. Yeah.